Take a ride in the 2013 E-Class. Some predict the future. We prefer to build it. The Mercedes E-Class is an impressive ride, very smooth and punchy. This vehicle has less than 105,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, fog lamps, four-wheel disc brakes, integrated turn signal mirrors, rear-wheel drive, remote trunk release, mini spare tire, variable speed, intermittent wipers. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.